We are in Madison, Wisconsin, and it is our first time. We're super excited because Wisconsinites are known as cheeseheads. I love that.
I love it here. Growing up in Minnesota, the land of 10,000 lakes, Wisconsin has always felt like my sister's state. So I can't wait to get all cheesy and gooey and delicious with my next home buyer, Kathy and her little sister Peg.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my
He's
God.
here.
Hi! Who am I talking to?
Hey, come
Oh my gosh.
Eva, I'm standing here with David.
There's so much energy here.
You're awesome.
It's a gay extravaganza.
Yoo-hoo!
Dying to hear your story. Have no idea what's happening. Shall we?
Let's go.
You guys need a beer?
Yeah, of course. Let's go.
My first time as a human being in Madison.
So excited you are.
I love the
Yay.
lakes. I know I'm finding someone a house. What's happening here?
I didn't win the lottery, but I hit the jackpot. I invested in a biotech company. And guess what?
It paid off.
It paid off big time.
Boom.
Can I
big
ask how
time.
much you got?
I will tell you this. It was 8 figures. Yeah. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
What was it like seeing your sister come into this windfall?
Amazing. She deserves it. Her whole life she's given to everybody else. It's her turn now.
That's amazing. What can I do for you, my love?
This is so awesome. My dream house is to be on the lake. I want a lake house, Lake Mendota.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's beautiful. Are we looking
Yes.
there?
Yes. Must have a gorgeous view.
Yeah, absolutely.
Open floor plan would be great.
Okay, square footage, do we need like
Big.
big? Like 5,000 square
Bigger.
feet big? Oh, great.
Big, 3 to 4 bedrooms.
Love it.
At least 3 bathrooms. The more, the better.
Okay, so basically you want as much square footage, you want as much property as possible. So really it comes down to your budget. What are we doing?
3 to 4.
100,000?
3 to 4 million, David. Yes. If you can find the exact house I just described to you, I would consider going higher.
Like, are we looking 5 or 6 million?
Sure, if you find the exact house.
OMG. This is the biggest budget given to me in my lottery dream home history.
4 million bucks? Stop it. And she had no problem going higher if it was the perfect house. I am here for it.
I'm going to need my BBFM, bougiest best friend in Madison, Carissa, to help me find the most luxurious lake home for Kathy.
Hi, my love.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, it's freezing out there.
It is.
Oh, you look gorgeous.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh,
Come on back.
Madison is so cute.
It is. It's such a fun town, too.
It really is. I'm really enjoying it. The vibe I'm getting is like young, hip, a small, big city.
It is. It's a lot of fun. So you have your lakes in the summer. You have in the winter, you have a lot of businesses that put ice skating rinks out. You have the lake festivals. You have ice fishing. You have all the bike trails throughout Madison. So it's a blast.
Can we get something on Lake Mendota?
Inventory is low, but there are some houses available. So that
Good.
should be a lot of fun. Did you want to go through them?
Yeah, of course.
All right. So the first one is on the north side of the lake.
Okay.
It's priced at $2.48 million. Great views. It's right on the lake.
Love this. Great one to start with. Awesome.
This one is in a great neighborhood over in Middleton.
7,400 square feet.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
Yeah, and it
2.5
has
acres.
absolutely beautiful views of the Capitol.
Yes.
Okay, the next one that we're looking at is on the south side of the lake, coming straight from the builder. It has an outdoor kitchen. It has a pickleball court. It has everything. This one's gonna be over $5 million.
Okay.
And then this one is $2.7 million, and it's on 38 acres.
Wow.
It's a little bit outside of the lakes. You will not see a neighbor around you.
No, with 38
So
acres. That's
it is
amazing.
absolutely beautiful.
Thank you so much. These are so fun. I can't wait to explore Madison. I gotta bring my coat though, because it is cold.
Kathy wants to be on Lake Mendota, the biggest and most desired of Madison's 4 lakes. And I'm starting with the most unique lake house I could find, Black Wolf Bay.
Do you feel like a millionaire when you're in there? Absolutely. Even the toilet has its own social media. I just went in and music started to play. I'm not lying. It was an experience. Hi.
Hi, David.
How
see you again.
gorgeous is this neighborhood?
Incredible.
Right?
So cute.
Beautiful.
Lake Mendota.
Lake Mendota.
Amazing.
A majestic lake.
Majestic. So what do you guys think of
Huge.
this amazing house?
This is great. Love the style of this house.
Do you like the modern?
Yes. I do.
I wanted to show you something a little unique. So Black Wolf Bay has 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, just shy of 5,000 square feet.
Oh, that's
Perfect.
great.
Sits on over half an acre.
Nice.
And the price, it's just shy of $2,500,000. I'm not even at your lowest of your budget.
There's room there, David.
There's a lot of room. Ready to
Great.
see
That's
it?
doable. Let's go
Let's
see
do
it.
it.
Doable.
Come on.
You know, I'm trying to save you money for
Thank you, David.
the bigger boats.
This is awesome.
All right, super exciting.
Excellent.
Here we go.
Hey.
Come
Wow,
on in.
look at this.
Wow.
This is a beautiful.
Look at the lake.
Oh my God. We can really move around, entertain. The kids can be sitting here.
So good, right?
Good
Love
size. Very nice appliances too, David. I'm impressed.
I love the cooktop here.
So I think this is an induction. Yeah, this is induction.
Induction.
that.
And the glass. I love the glass. It
sure.
flows.
Yeah.
It sure does. Straight up to one of the most gorgeous guest bedrooms.
Look at that view.
This is the guest bedroom.
What?
Yeah.
This looks big enough to be the primary bedroom.
Doesn't it, though?
Holy smokes.
But the actual primary bedroom has something I've never seen before.
Hello.
Oh, now this is the primary.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Isn't this
Wait,
gorgeous?
is that a putting green?
Oh my gosh, get out of town.
Isn't that fun?
We both golf.
Holy smokes. I've
fun.
never seen that on your own private deck.
Yeah.
They thought of some really good ideas.
You want to see the bathroom in the closet?
Yes.
Wander.
Okay.
Enjoy.
Let's do it.
You might get lost.
Marco, Polo, look at this place. It's huge. Nice water closet.
Love the wallpaper. I love
That's
the
very
designs.
unique. Wow.
This place has around 5,000 square feet of awesomeness, and we've barely scratched the surface. Back down on the first floor, there's a pool table and an intriguing guest bathroom.
That toilet literally speaks to you and sings to you when you sit on it. It's insane.
Come on.
Told ya. Did you hear it?
Yeah, I did. The bell tolls for thee, David.
There are more million-dollar features downstairs. But it doesn't get any better than out here.
Here we...
Holy smokes. See, now this property is incredible.
my
Look at this
It's
space.
huge.
Look at this yard.
Wow.
It's such a long lot.
And a boathouse, too.
It's so cute.
Oh my gosh.
All right, isn't this fun?
Oh, how cute. This is really cute.
It's really precious.
It's like a fort.
All right, let's go
Believe like
outside.
you're
Look how
right
beautiful
on
that
the water.
is. Look at that.
It's like a European
Oh,
vacation.
my goodness sakes. This is
my gosh.
incredible.
I love this.
This is like panoramic.
Listen,
Yeah. Geese.
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 Did you guys like the property?
It's beautiful.
Good.
You know, it could be a little bigger.
Okay, we're gonna work our way up. Don't you worry. Like, I'm just easing you into the vibe. Do you guys want to get out of here?
Let's do it.
Let's do that. Keep going, keep going. Walk like this. Yes. Even in the dead of winter, it is beautiful here in the Madison, Wisconsin area. And I'm so thrilled to help Kathy find her dream mega mansion. Thornberry Bay feels rich because it is. $4.25 million. Oh, it will never get old. Sorry, ever. How rich are you?
Oh, this is incredible. Look at this property.
So rich.
Wow.
So with all your newfound millions, you can move anywhere you want.
I can.
Are you gonna buy a house in Florida?
Will you show me some?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
I'm holding you to that. We have
Will
you
you
on
come?
camera.
I will.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Of
You said I
course.
could go up in budget, and of
Yeah.
course I had to go over. 'Cause
Looks like you did, David.
Thornberry Bay has 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, 7,400 square feet.
Oh my gosh.
Want to hear the price?
Yes.
4.25 million.
Did he say 4.2?
I did. Come on, let's go. Let's get out of the cold. All right.
This is beautiful.
Oh my gosh, come on in, my darling.
Holy cow. Look. Oh my gosh. Look at this
Wow-wee.
place.
We're gonna start with the sunken living room.
Wow.
Why don't you guys take
my
a seat?
gosh.
I know, just look.
Look
70
at the
windows
view.
worth.
70.
Wow.
70.
Panoramic view. Incredible.
My eyes don't know if they should go up.
Or out.
Out.
Yeah.
I love it. I would never leave.
Wow.
Look at this.
Yeah, so there's a lot to see.
Wow.
I mean, it's like a mall for crying
Holy
out loud.
cow.
Come on in.
Wow. And look at this island.
Very cool.
Super expensive appliances, very ultra high end.
Yes.
Set up absolutely for entertaining.
This home was custom built with a lake view in mind, so there are outdoor and indoor sitting areas to take it all in.
The view's
Incredible
amazing.
views.
And you see it everywhere you walk.
Sitting area number
Excellent.
3. We gotta count them, right?
Excellent.
We gotta count them.
Wow.
Here we go, up the stairs.
I feel so Scarlett O'Hara.
If Scarlett O'Hara were in the 90s.
Guests get the royal treatment with a perfect bathroom and 2 bedrooms with stunning views of the lake.
Hello, guests.
I feel like I'm the queen out on the balcony.
Come on, queens.
But the primary suite is next level.
Wow.
Surrounded by the
Can you
lake.
imagine waking up to this?
Yes.
And seeing this?
Yes. Obviously, we have a beautiful deck out there just for you.
Thank you.
And if you really feel like you need a putting green, you can obviously.
putting green.
You absolutely can.
This one we can drive off if it doesn't have the glass. Wow.
This is the boathouse right underneath us.
Can I fish off of this?
I 100% think you can. Let's go see if you can
I
fish.
wanna see.
Let's see if we can fish.
Can cast.
Oh, you
Gosh,
absolutely can
David,
cast. Yes.
Look at that.
This
That's
is nuts.
beautiful.
David, you've outdone yourself.
Thank you. Are we on the right path? Like, are you scared of this budget? Like, what's happening in your brain?
No, I mean, now that I see what you can get for this, I'm all in. You can go higher.
Don't tempt me. Really?
Yeah.
Shall we get out of here? It's
Let's
cold.
go.
Hot
Let's get
cocoa?
warm.
Yes, please.
You're Brian.
Yes, please. I haven't had hot cocoa since I was a kid. Give me some marshmallows. Whistling Wake is on the very tippy top of the coolest houses I've ever seen or shown. Anyone would be lucky to have this if you can afford $5.2 million. How much fun are we having?
This is a blast.
Lots of fun.
This is so much fun.
You can see the lake.
The lake is in full frontal view.
Yeah,
It is show-stopping. Whistling Wake. It's got 4 bedrooms and 8 bathrooms.
Wow.
A sauna, a steam room, a pickleball court.
What? In the house?
In the
Shut
house. 6,300 square feet without the pickleball court.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
$5.2 million.
Can't put a price on happiness.
No, you can't.
No.
Shall we?
Let's do
Let's.
Are you intimidated? I know I am.
Nervous.
Give me
A
my
little nervous.
darling.
Come on, honey.
4-car garage plus another garage
Oh,
space downstairs.
Great. I'll buy some more cars. Yeah. That's spacious.
I think that'll do it for her.
Here we go. Biggest store ever made.
Holy cow, look at that entrance. Wow. Wow.
David,
This is stunning.
It's insane.
Look at that view.
I'm speechless.
Let's get comfy, shall we?
Matt. Here we go.
Continue. I mean, look at
Wow,
this.
This is incredible.
I could run laps in here. It's
Size
ridiculous.
of this.
This comes equipped with 4 ovens, coffee maker,
Wow.
touchless everything.
Holy cow, that's fun.
Isn't it great?
Wow. I'm gonna have to learn how to cook.
This is technically the 3rd floor, so all the bedrooms are upstairs on the 4th, including the main suite.
Wow.
Isn't this wonderful?
That's a stunning view. It's even better than downstairs. And it's very spacious.
You want to explore? Please. Enjoy. It goes
Primary
on forever.
bathroom? Oh my
Enjoy.
gosh, this is stunning. I feel like I'm in a resort.
It's got
Look at this place.
all the bells and whistles.
This is the closet. This is crazy.
I love the rods that light up. That's kind of like, yes, please.
Where am I gonna put my dresses?
no dresses allowed.
No lesbian.
When you're buying a mega mansion, there's no end to the million-dollar features. Guest bedrooms with views for days, private bathrooms, and something for those lazy, no stair days.
Who has an elevator in their house, David? Elevator.
Someone who's gonna spend $5 million.
Come on.
We're going to 2.
Lingerie, please.
Come on, my darlings.
Oh, what a great space down here.
The second floor is even more insane, with a high-end, private, fully equipped gym, sports bar, sauna and steam room, and in the basement, your very own pickleball court.
Oh my gosh, David.
I know.
This is insane.
We have a whole locker room down
Locker
there.
room.
There's even a kitchenette and bathroom down here, too. I mean, how do you compete with that?
David's got game.
Look at this.
Love the outdoors. Oh my gosh.
Look
Like a
at
whole nother
this.
house outside.
It's a whole nother house.
David, what
Look at that.
doesn't this house have?
I don't know. Have you seen anything that's missing?
A girlfriend.
A buyer?
A buyer.
There's a lot to take in with all 3 of the houses.
What a blessing to be able to do it.
Amazing.
I want to go back and should we play a little more pickleball?
Let's do that.
Oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this. Let's concentrate on getting you into one of these fabulous homes.
Yes,
Great.
please.
Freaking exciting. Drinks?
Yes, please.
I have to say, this has been really special. We looked at some pretty spectacular
Incredible.
houses. Black Wolf Bay.
Great house.
That property?
It was so unique.
Yeah.
The level frontage.
Yeah.
I could fish off of the edge of the property there, and that cute little A-frame
So
boathouse
adorable.
there.
Yeah. And we came at like 2.4 million.
Yeah.
You know, like I went 3 to 4 million.
Yeah.
So took you over to Thornberry Bay.
It was just stately. It was
That's
exquisite.
I love the
Exquisite.
approach.
It was so
Definitely.
beautiful. And everywhere you looked, there
Yeah.
was a view of the lake.
But again, someone who is not afraid to go up in budget. I showed you Whistling Wake.
Whistling
I
Wake.
mean,
They thought of everything.
Speechless. I mean,
Is
the
it-
kitchens.
a sauna, a steam room, a steam shower.
And don't even get me started about that pickleball court. Every
it had
jock's
everything.
dream, David.
But you know, David, that is a lot of house.
Yeah.
A lot of house and a lot of money.
Yeah.
It is a lot of money.
More than most people make in a lifetime.
Oh, for sure.
Where are we buying? Give it to me.
There was one house that I couldn't say no to.
I wonder which one.
Should we tell him? I chose Whistling Wake.
Not surprised.
Come on.
Not surprised.
I mean, pickleball, an exercise room, level frontage. It had a boathouse. Incredible.
Ticked all the boxes, and then some.
and then some, yeah.
And then some.
Cheers.
But David, now that I'm going to be buying a house with a pickleball court, you must come and play with me because I know how much you like playing with pickleball.
This is a fancy rat.
It's a really fancy
It's a
paddle.
really fancy
You're
paddle.
legit.
Thank you. Thank you so
I'm
much.
serious.
This means the world to me. To next time.
Cheers to you,
Yeah,
David.
this is not the
You are
last time we're going to see each
incredible.
other.
You are incredible. It's been a lifelong desire of mine to have a lake home, so I chose Whistling Wake. I love the way they have it decorated. The designer did an amazing job. And it had everything and then some. Hello. Hello, Peg. I'm so glad you guys could come.
So happy that Kathy finally got her lake home, her dream home.
Peg.
We come over here all the time now. The kids, myself, our mother, we just enjoy it so much. I love this kitchen.
This kitchen is amazing with all the space and the appliances. I'm still learning how to use it all. I'm gonna make the bacon. I'm super excited to try it in a steam oven.
I've never done
I
that.
haven't either. I had to watch a video of how to do it. Welcome, welcome to my new house. Come in. I'm so glad you came. David showed me this house and it was quite a bit over my budget. But at the end of the day, it really didn't matter because I can make more money, I can't make more time, and I can't make more memories without this kind of house, and I would do it all over again in a heartbeat, and twice on Sunday.